What's up, YouTube? So yes, I'm back again with another video. Okay, and don't mind the Christmas tree. My kids requested for me to keep it up, so I'm keeping my Christmas tree up. If they want me to keep it up, I'm keeping it up, and that's on that. So don't even look at it. It ain't nothing. It's just a prop. So today I plan on doing a video breaking down and talking about the good stocks to look at for next week, because I ain't gonna brag. Several of the stocks I told y'all to look at went crazy last week. One of them was SEC Limited. You could have got you a call option on there. You could have put you some money on that bad boy. That bad boy went up $34.78 last week. It went crazy. I think ICON went crazy. If you see me looking up, I'm looking at my computer. That one went up 28 cents because at first it dipped down. What week was that? I'm looking at my computer, y'all. I'm so sorry. I got to do this. I don't have to set up like everybody else. I ain't rich like them. But now on February 2nd, it dipped to like 230, and then on the 3rd, it went up to actually $3.05. So I think the peak it hit this week was like $3.13 was the highest it went out. I already be telling y'all to buy the shit when it go high. Don't keep sending them stocks. We ain't got no attachment to these mud. We just in here for the money. It's the money game. FUBU, this was a buying week for them. This was definitely a buy-in week. It was several other stocks on my list that went crazy. So BABA, I made me a quick like 290. It was some crazy amount for them, like in like 2 or 3 hours. So this week I'm gonna try to come to y'all again with some winning stocks. Like I said, I ain't got the notoriety and the popularity like a lot of these folks. So I could try to spread the word on my YouTube videos and what I be saying. People want the penny stocks. I don't have the penny stocks like that. Like, these people be having screeners. They paying for like $130 a month. These people got connects in Wall Street. They got investors. Okay, you can go purchase that. You know that, right? You can go purchase someone to tell you who got the stock names and all that's going crazy. So I don't have all of that. So one day I'll get to that, but right now I'm telling y'all what I've done the proper research on and what I can definitely tell you what I'm looking at. This week I'm looking at a lot of the Super Bowl advertisement. I heard DOGE. I ain't saying the damn name. They said it's doggy. It's dog over here. Okay. So that's supposed to do good. One of them I have listed is, let me start using my hands. One of them I have listed is DKNG. That's DraftKings. So if you don't know what DraftKings is, it's a digital sports entertainment and gaming company. So they expect that to go up this week due to just, the profits they're going to make from Super Bowl is being highly used right now. And, it's just definitely something that, I don't know what other games they probably use it for. They probably, I don't know. I can't name it. Let me not tell you nothing that I don't know. So it looks like last week was definitely the week to get in there. Did I have that one? I can't tell you if I had that one listed or not. I don't want to put my video. I can't even look. I don't know. But that was definitely one of those stocks that I either listed the week before or last week. It don't like I listed it last week. But that stock is definitely one I'm paying attention to. I cannot tell you if it's going to drop or go up. What I can tell you is there was news articles released on it. It says legal sports betting is bigger than ever. So they could be using that for, like, I don't know, the Kentucky Derby, all type of stuff. So around those times, I would definitely keep an eye on it. People are expecting big numbers for their earnings, which is March 16th. It looks like, so the stock is worth $64.38 right now. It looks like there was a option alert for February 12th, a $65 call sweep that just happened. So that means a lot of people bought $65 calls on there, and you would just have to pretty much do your research on that. But I will text the stocks tweets link to that so you can look more into it. Another one is Quest Diagnostics. Quest Diagnostics is going to do good. Like, if you don't know, they have had brilliant news That company is undervalued right now in their stocks, as in that stock needs to be higher than it's supposed to be, because with the earnings they just received back, these people have been working heavy with the COVID, just with everything. And I actually read up that their company actually had a share buyback. It looked like they bought back $1 billion in their own shares. They believe that their stock is undervalued, and it really is. Like, their stock forecast is like $144 or some crazy shit. So I would definitely keep an eye out on Quest Diagnostics. If you can buy a far out call for them, I would. It actually looks like there was a option sweep that went on. When I say option sweeps, this means for like buy calls, buy puts, any of that. But like for February 19th, they had a option sweep for $125. So like people have bought that, and they really do think it's going to go up that high. I didn't know they had an option for that price. Is that right? Y'all can check up on this, like I said, on your own. I have links below. But I would definitely get to Quest Diagnostics if I already have not. If like you have not already. Uber. Uber went up. I had that listed, I think, last week. Oh, I did. It went up $6.93 last week. I'm not going to speak too highly of myself about that. But yeah, Uber definitely went up. It actually looks like if you would have got in on the 1st, what day was that? Yeah, on Monday, it went up $5. Like I said, all the stuff I call out, I do extensive research on it. Uber has an earning coming out. Looks like February 10th. I cannot tell you if the stock can go up or down. I cannot tell you that information. I will not tell you that. I'm so sorry. I cannot. With earnings day, I've had bad luck with earnings. I don't even want to get the fuck into it. Like, my mouth started getting a little filthy when I talk about the earnings, because Apple had all that good news, and I lost $500 on Apple. I want to throw up thinking about it. Like, fuck Apple. That's on that. So yeah, let's move on to next. GM. Let me take a sip on them. Let me take a sip. I'm drinking that Jose Cuervo mix. By the way, that shit good as hell. You look like a slight buzz. Nice kickback. Get that shit. But yes, GM about to go crazy, y'all. If you don't know, Joe Biden and his whole little team, they want their whole fleet of cars to be EV. GM is about to compete with Tesla. Okay, they about to go neck and neck with them. They on their neck. They got their foot on their neck, literally. So GM actually has earnings coming up. I actually have it written down. Let me look at my paper. I'm sorry, I don't put the papers and shit. That's so tacky. But their earnings is February 10th. I would definitely keep my eyes open, right? Like, for definitely GM. It looks like GM is actually, it went up $3.60 last week. They actually dipped like $51, like 50, something like that. So I expected them to go back up. They went up 28 cents, and then after hours 64 cents. I would definitely keep an eye out on GM. It was a lot of buyback that could have been happening last week. I'm gonna also make a video about that, when to know when to buy back into a stock that you know is going to do well. Like, GM is going to do well. They are competing with Tesla, Ford, NIO. They're all competing with Tesla. NIO is like they call that they actually call that, what they say, the Tesla of China. So these are stocks I need to keep your eyes on. Like, I have a cheaper one. It's called REI. It's called Rain Energy. So this stock is only $1.63. They had 7 times normal volume on Friday. It says 8,951 contracts, and the call volume was 95%, and the put volume was 5%. These are the type of stocks that I'm looking at. Like, I'm getting my butt in. They had a sweep for their calls for $2.50, and that's for February 19th. Keep your eyes open. I'm telling you, I'm so, like, it's sad because I don't have the notoriety yet. Or I can't speak proper English, y'all. I'm so sorry. But I don't have the people that can back me up yet. And I don't have like the popularity yet. So a lot of people don't see my stuff. I don't be just calling out no rinky-dink ass shit. Like, a lot of the stuff I call out is either holders. Because we always go back and we look at, damn, I bought out this stock and this motherfucker at $10. And I was in there when it was $4. Or I look back and I was buying out of a stock that was 25 cents and now it's at $1.10. Sometimes the stock market, you gotta hold on to what you get in. That's just that. Like, buying out of some stuff, if you know it's gonna go up, is a bad idea. I've learned that. I don't buy that shit no more. If I'm in there, I'm in there. Like, I'm not buying out nothing unless I see ground evidence that this stock will do nothing. Like, it's nothing. And 10 out of 10 chances that don't never happen. So, like I said, I called out some stocks that did crazy. Y'all could have got some options on there and went crazy. So, and you could just make the same amount with less stress because these penny stocks are stressful. So y'all be like, I'm telling you, they stressful. Like, having to monitor them all day can become overwhelming. So try to, like, always incorporate long-term stocks into y'all stuff because you don't want to stress yourself out too bad over this stuff. For it ain't really worth it. I'll be posting more stocks on the bottom, like the bottom of my description box. I always update it. If you hear that truth, my bad. Don't mind that. Oh my God, that's so tacky. I don't care at this point. I don't care. It's hot as fuck up in here. But yeah, if you can check over the stuff I be telling y'all, it's not bullshit ass stocks. Like, I'm not telling y'all no bullshit ass stocks. I'm not at all. Like, I'm gonna look at how much BABA went up. I made some quick money off of them. I think they even dipped back on the earnings day. And you could have bought back in and then got up the next morning and been up by $300-400. Like, the stuff I be telling y'all be going crazy. Like, you just gotta make sure you paying attention. BABA actually dipped and they still went up by $7.61 this week. It looked like the best buy-in time. Like I said, February 2nd, it dipped. And on February 3rd, that mug was up by $5, $6, $8. Like, it was going crazy. Up by $9, $10, $13. Like, when I be telling y'all, there be some real ass stocks to pay attention to. But a lot of y'all want penny stocks. And I don't know who the connect is. Put me on to the connect. So, yes, this is all for this video. I will be doing the energy, EV stocks, energy stocks. I found some underneath the penny still because a lot of the ones are moving. They moving. We can't even keep up. So I will definitely be making a video about that tonight. Also, I forgot to mention Disney. Oh my God, what am I doing? Yes, look out for Disney, y'all. Disney, it looks like their price was moved up from I believe it's, what was it? I got it right here. UBS, which is a financial investing group, I believe, or something like that. They updated the target from $155 to $200. Parks have reopened in California. I believe they have their market, so they're having a earnings day after market close on Thursday, February 11th. Keep an eye on them. I cannot tell you if they're gonna go up or go down. I can't tell y'all that. I don't know. I gotta wait for the week to see that stuff. I cannot determine that. And definitely with that one being an aftermarket one, it's easier to determine. So always, I will be posting the link to the calendar of the earnings too. Always look over that. Because you may see someone there and be like, oh, I know that's gonna go up. Because I just know for sure. So always pay attention to what you're investing in. Don't ever go off of word of mouth. Don't go off my word of mouth. Always research. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye.